Dear students, good afternoon. Today we are going to learn articles. So, articles are divided in two groups. Indefinite articles and definite articles. So, in indefinite articles, we have two articles a and an. And in definite article, we have the article. So, these articles are divided in two groups. So, indefinite and definite articles. Let's begin with a article. A. We use this article before the consonant sounds or when a noun begins with a consonant sound. So, here when a noun begins with a consonant sound. For example, a bat, a cat, a dog, or a fan. B, C, D, F. These are the consonant sound. So that's why before the consonant sound we should use a article. These are the examples: a bat, a cat, a dog, and a fan. So when a noun begins with a consonant sound, we should use a article. Now let's move to the an article. An article. So an article begins with a vowel sound. An article begins with a vowel sound. So we have 5 vowels in English language: A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds, and before these vowel sounds we should use an article. Before the vowel sound. For example, A, E, I, O, U. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. So, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. These are the vowels. So, before the vowel sound, we should use an article. For example, an apple. A is a vowel sound, and before that A we have to use an article. So, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, and an umbrella. So, we have some exceptional cases while using the articles in a line. For example, exceptional cases. So, in these exceptional cases, uh, we will not use the articles as per the rule. For example, here an honest, here an honest, an honest, an honor, an art. These are consonants H, H, H. An honest, an honor, an R. These are consonants, but here H becomes silent and we pronounce from the O. An honest, an honor, and R. So it means what? O is considered as a vowel and H becomes silent here. So that's why here exceptionally we are using an article. An honest, an honor, and R. Similarly, a university. Similarly, a university and a university. Here, as per the rule, we should take an article. But exceptionally, here while pronouncing the U, we pronounce like Y, university. So that's why A is a perfect article in this case. So it is not an university, it is a university is correct. So these are the exceptional cases. And now let's move to the article or the article. So we have some rules and regulations while using the article. First of all, the article, we will use the article when the unique things are concerned or unique things are mentioned. For example, unique things or specific things. While mentioning the unique and specific things, we should take the articles. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky. So these are the unique things. So that's why before the unique things or specific things, we should use the article, the sun, the moon, and the sky. So rule number 2. Before the epic names or epics names. So now see epics. For example, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Quran, the Bible. These are the epic names, and before the epic names, we should use the article. For example, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, and the Bible. So, rule number 3. Rule number 3. Before the mountains names, for example, mountain names, river names, and before the mountain names, rivers names or deserts names, we should use the article. For example, the Mount Everest, the Mount Everest. The Mount Everest is the name of a mountain, and the Thames. Thames is the name of river. The Ganga. Ganga is the name of a river. The Sahara. Sahara is the name of a desert. So, before the desert names, river names or mountain names, we should use the article. And now rule number 4. In superlative degree, we can use the article. Before the superlative degree, before the superlative degree, and before the superlative degree, we use the article. For example, the tallest, the best, the tallest, the best. These are the superlative degrees. So before the superlative degree or in superlative degree, we should use the article. And rule number 5. Rule number 5. The article can use before the musical instruments. Before the musical instruments. Before the musical instruments. For example, the piano, the drum. These are the name of musical instruments. So, before the musical instruments, we should use or we can use the article. Rule number 6. Before the directions. Before the directions. So before the direction, we use the article. For example, the east, the west, the south, and the north. So before the directions, we should use or we can use the article. The east, the west, the south, the north. So these are the rules. So now we are going to learn zero articles. Zero articles. Basically, we do not use the articles which is called zero articles. For example, while mentioning, so when we talk about the general things, then we will not use that article. For example, milk is good. So before, when we are talks about the general things, we do not use we do not use articles. For example, milk is good. General things. So before the general things, we do not use article. And next, when we talk about sports and the games, we do not use articles. For example, let's go and play cricket. Means what? Before the games, we do not use article. Let's go and play cricket. And third rule, before the name of a language, before a name of a language, any kind of language. For example, we are learning English. English is the name of subject or a language. So before any kind of language, we do not use articles. So these are the rules, which is also called zero articles. When we are talking about the general things, so for example, milk is good. Before the general things, we do not use articles. So before the names of a game, we do not use articles. Let's go and play cricket. And the third one is before the subject names or language names, we do not use articles. We are learning English. So these are the rules. And today we are discussed the whole things about the articles. That articles are divided into two groups: indefinite articles. These articles are used before the singular noun. So, when the pronunciation starts from the consonant sound, so we use a and an articles. And in the article can be used before the specific things. Before the mountain and river names, before the desert names. Similarly, when we are talking about the epics, then we use the article, and these are the rules today we have seen here. Thank you for watching the video.